sa nationwide planting at replanting na tatalakayin kasama po si Ma'am Rosella B. Villaruel, ang Department Manager ng Trade and Market Development Department ng Philippine Coconut Authority. Ma'am Rosella, magandang tanghali po.
Magandang tanghali po.
Okay, una po sa lahat, ano po itong Bayanihan? Tama po ba yung pagkasabi ko? Bayanihan, parang Bayanihan Project. At paano po ito nabuo?
Yes, we have this Bayanihan nationwide coconut planting ngayon. But Bayanihan means the PCA's thrust and way of honoring our coconut farmers in all our programs and projects, putting them as the center and the object of our endeavors. So nagsimula po ito sa concept ng whole of nation approach in revitalizing the coconut industry with the theme Bayanihan, Kaisa Ako, which means all of us, including our participants, supporters, will have to support wholeheartedly. Ika nga, bayani sa niyugan.
Ma'am Rosella, saan magaganap po ang nationwide coconut planting na ito at ilan ang target ng inyo pong ahensya na maitanim na niyog sa buong Pilipinas? Plano ba ng PCA na gawin po ito taon-taon simula po ngayong 2024?
Yes. Ang coconut planting po na ito ay mangyayari sa lahat ng rehiyon kasi ang PCA po ay nag-target po ng pagtatanim ng 100 million. And until August, tinatarget po namin na magkameron na tayo ng 3 million coconut being planted. So for the whole year of 2024, we target 8.5 million and hanggang ano po yan ang target taon-taon and every month. Kung kailangan ng ating mga partners na magtanim, magpapatanim po tayo until 2028. Ang target po natin ay 25 million coconuts planted.
Ma'am Rosella, ibalik ko lang kasi number 2 tayo ngayon sa production ng niyog sa buong mundo, pangalawa sa Indonesia. Pag natapos po ba ito ay ma-regain na uli natin ang ating status na number 1 producer po ng coconut?
In terms of area kasi mas malaki si Indonesia. So, with this coconut planting project, we are sure na lalaki po yung ating production. But as to being number 1 and number 2, subject din po yan sa gagawing coconut planting ng ating karatig bansa na Indonesia. But what we can assure is that we would like to maintain our position as the number 1 coconut oil producer in the world. Sa ngayon po ay nasa lang po tayo, 50% capacity of our oil millers and other coconut processors. So if we increase our production, we can double and ensure na tayo ay mangunguna sa exports of coconut products, particularly coconut oil.
Okay, na-excite po ako doon sa sinabi niyo, ma'am, na coconut oil. Kaya nagtatanong ako kanina kay Asek Arnel. Ito yung mga, well, nakikita naman natin yung mga sikat na coconut oil sa grocery. Pero kasama dito yung mga uso ngayon, VCO, at saka meron pang isa, MCT, yes. Kasama po dyan.
That's medium chain triglyceride.
Okay. Ma'am, kapag naitanim po ang ganitong karaming niyog sa bansa, ano po ang magiging epekto kaya nito sa ating ekonomiya at sa ating mga coconut farmers?
Siyempre po, pagdadami yung ating coconut production, we will maintain po ng export earnings contribution ng coconut industry sa ating Philippine economy. Ngayon po tayo, in the agricultural sector, coconut industry po yung largest contributor. So, pag madouble natin yung ating production, syempre yung ating export earnings ay lalaki din po. Ang ating jobs to be generated, lalaki din po. And we will contribute to food security And lalo na it will provide a lot of opportunities for our coconut farmers in the area of value adding and enterprise development so that masustain po ang kanilang mga livelihood.
Ma'am Rosel, bukas ba ang nationwide planting na ito sa publiko? Kung nais makibahagi o makiisa sa campaign nito, saan po maaaring magtungo at makipag-ugnayan sa PCA?
Bukas po ito, and in fact, the authority is calling the participation of our potential partners like the academe, the LGU, and all the private sector. Kasi po, kailangan po talaga ng support. So for those who would like to participate or support this undertaking, they just have to contact our regional offices or provincial offices all over the country. We have our address po sa aming PCA website, and we posted po yung details kung sino-sino po yung ating o kanilang kontakin.
So tuwing Agosto po pala ipinagdiriwang ang Coconut Month. Ano-ano po yung mga aktibidad na inihanda ng PCA ngayong buwan para po sa selebrasyong ito?
Yes, every last week of August is declared as National Coconut Week by Proclamation 142 Series of 1987. So for this year, meron po tayong culinary presentation po magaganap dyan sa Philippine Coconut Authority, Elliptical Road, Diliman, Quezon City, and all over the country po meron tayong simultaneous national coconut planting na gagawin sa iba't ibang probinsya at rehiyon. And then on August 29 to 30, meron din po tayong tinatawag na Symposium on the Coconut Benefits na gagawin sa Philippine International Convention Center in Pasay City. Doon po namin gagawin yung pag-inform ng mga invited and even the public kasi to be live stream po ito kung ano-ano yung mga benefits and advantages of using coconut products, both food and non-food. Kasi po, ang ating mga coconut products ay mainly nasa abroad, but we want the Filipinos to also enjoy the benefits of the coconut. Kaya magkameron po nito, and that's just the initial. Then after that event, meron po tayong recognition of the different coconut industry stakeholders because we want the best practices to be practiced ng lahat ng ating farmers and the processors. So we will recognize them so that they will be encouraged na gagawin yun at i-implement or i-adapt sa kanilang mga farms and mga processing plants. Meron din po tayong online research and development forum that would be on August 28, and kung sino po yung interested, then they could access the link through our website.
Okay.
Mensahe o paalala nyo na lang po sa ating mga kababayan mula po sa inyo sa Philippine Coconut Authority, Ma'am Rosel.
Para sa ating mga kababayan, we encourage you to visit our website and visit our PCA regional or provincial offices para po makapag-participate kayo sa lahat naming activities all over the country. Meron po tayong coconut bazaars sa iba't ibang probinsya wherein makikita nyo ang lahat ng coconut products and ma-testing nyo po ito and ma-experience yung ganda and benefits ng mga produktong ito.
Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyong oras, Ms. Roselia Villaruel, Department Manager ng Trade and Market Development Department ng Philippine Coconut Authority.